Hello, I'm Joe Edgar, the founder of Loka App. Ever wonder if your marketing dollars are truly working for you and your business? Today, I want to show you how to find local customers with a very minimal budget. You might be spending hundreds, if not thousands, on social media boosting, SEO searches, or consultants and more. Marketing doesn't have to be complicated. It should be simple and straightforward. You can target customers within a small 4-mile radius around your business, hitting those neighborhoods that live right around where you are, and getting analytics for your specific location. Don't spend extra money marketing to the entire world. With us, keep it local and keep it relevant. Customers simply can check out your business and share the experience on social media. You pay only for those local views. And here's the game changer. Why not let your customers do your marketing for you? Creators make content and share it with their audience and get rewards. It's so simple. If you're ready to transform your marketing, streamline your expenses, and grow your business, visit loka.us today and let's grow together.